fi yw'r Georgia Rowe, Saethwraig, go.
Cyfle o'r parth debwynt. Georgia Rowe yn gywir.
I'm quite a late comer into the sport. I've always been tall. In every school photo, I'm right at the back with all the boys, and I'm still head and shoulders above them all. My mum and dad always used to go on and say, you have to do something with your height, because I didn't particularly enjoy being this tall. My dad had seen a Wales netball car drive past in Cardiff, took the number down, literally got home, rang the number and said, my daughter's 17, she's 6'2". I think I went down, sat in to watch a Celtic Dragons team, which is what they were called at the time. And Melissa, who was coach at the time, was like, do you think you can have a go at that then? And I was like, yes. I didn't think that I would get this far. I didn't even think I'd last a week. So I think the fact that I'm still doing it, it makes me really proud of myself, actually. We weren't really sure up until a couple of months before the league started, really, that it was going to be professional this year. The schedule for sure is hard. We're in 5 days a week, you know, we spend most of our lives together doing this, and then we play on the 6th day, so it does have that professional vibe around the league this year. And just the feeling that you get in these big arenas. We used to be in Sport Wales, where I think we'd have maximum 600 fans allowed in, so now we're close to 2,000 each game when we are on the utilita. Has been amazing. And playing in places like the Copper Box, which is even more seats available, it's just amazing. I think this is what we all want it to be like. Hopefully it gets even better. This is a stepping stone and we're going in the right direction. It's no secret that I am not a long-distance shooter, so it is something that I'm working on. For the last 10, 11 years, I've been trying to train myself to get as close to the post as possible, and now we're sort of having to flip it, which has been a struggle, but it's a challenge that I'm not going to give up on. I think the main thing for us is just having confidence to put them up. We know we can do it. We do it in training, we have extra shooting sessions and things that we're doing, so I think it's just having that confidence. I've just got to turn and put them up, and if I get them in, I get them in. If not, I follow it for that rebound and we just see what happens. We've put out some really good quarters or some really good halves, even 3/4 of games, but we're just not managing at the moment to get a full 60-minute out of ourselves, which is disappointing because we know that it's in us. We are a really supportive team, and we're actually, in a weird way, all obsessed with each other. Even when we're not playing netball, we all really love to spend time with each other. So that spirit is there, but I think it's just making sure that we carry that through with us now throughout the second half.